Less oil is more healthy, isn't it? Presenting the Prestige Air Fryer, a healthy alternative to fried food. Enjoy oil-free chips, snacks, meat, etc. without guilt. What more, the food tastes exactly like the oil-fried foods that you are familiar with. The attractively styled Prestige Air Fryer allows you to fry, grill, bake and roast in a healthy and oil-free way. With its advanced features such as 30 minutes timer, easy to use controls, easy to clean frying basket, the Prestige Air Fryer is a healthier alternative in your kitchen. So now let's unpack the Prestige Air Fryer and you can see the marvel of this particular item. It cooks with hot air. You can fry, grill, you can roast, you can bake, and more options. The knobs are easy to operate. There is a temperature and a timer control. You also have a lock. There is a safety button that automatically shuts off the air fryer if the basket is pulled out during the cooking process and starts from the same point when it is inserted back. That is a slide so that it's basically a safety release. And it is easily detachable. It's easy to clean. The frying basket is easy to clean. It's specially designed for better air circulation. It can be pulled out and cleaned. It's even dishwasher safe. The knobs are easy to operate. The temperature control slider and the rotary time control are both easy to operate and use. The auto shut-off function adds to user convenience. Now let's baste the container frying basket with a little bit of oil. Just switching it on to see whether it's working. You can see that it is evenly heated. Now we put in fish because we need to preheat it for about 5 minutes at 180 degrees. Put fish into it. And we air fry it for about 12 minutes. I have a look into it to see whether it is done. The top seems to be done. I just need to put it upside down. And after 15 minutes, voila, the fried fishes are ready. Enjoy your meal.